Hi everyone, it's Chris here. Thanks for your interest in the Building Powerful Whole School Music Programs workshops. I did a number of these in person last year, and a few people reached out wondering if I could do the same, but in an online context, so here it is. The idea of this workshop is to use a strengths-based framework to really build capacity for your international school context, because as we know, all international schools are deeply impacted by history, culture, politics, and society. So once I get to know that about your school and where you're situated, the idea is then to work on two key things. The first one is to create a vision and mission that really connects all of your team and that you can work towards a really cohesive music department plan. And the second one is to activate the community in your school in a really broad way. So international schools are a perfect place to activate the communal nature of music making, and we'll discover some frameworks to do that. So the first step is to make an application below, and once I have that information, I'll arrange a call with you and we can discuss things in a little more depth. I have some availability for April, May, June, and also August, September. So this is something that could work really nicely for a very music-focused inset for the new year, and I'm more than happy to discuss that. So again, make an application and let's start a discussion, but please ask any questions, and I really look forward to working with lots more music teachers from international schools around the world.